What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So one of the stocks that I bought following the Matthew Ramey chart, I actually put it on my Etrade dividend portfolio. I'll show you how many shares I own with these guys shortly. But Newell Brands, who are these guys? Why did I invest? I'm going to show you a stock and dividend analysis. I'm going to show you what products they own and why I think this is a good stock for your dividend portfolio. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes, but I love this stock. I put money in it recently. I put more money in it, and I wanted to make sure this one was happy before I started to focus more on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So let me show you this stock. Let me show you everything what it's about, and why it's a popular stock, and why you might want to consider this in your portfolio. Let's start about Newell Brands. I kind of use Wikipedia as a source because it really tells you all the products that these guys own. Really popular products as well. So look at all these companies that they own. First of all, their revenue. I'll maybe give you an up-to-date one, but in 2017 is 14.74 billion. Billion. Yeah, that's a lot. But look at this. Look at what they own. They're a worldwide manufacturer, marketer, and distributor of consumer and commercial products with a portfolio of brands including Rubbermaid, which I meal prep. You guys would laugh. I pretty much have the biggest Rubbermaid container that I put in my refrigerator at work, or our refrigerator at work, and all the nurses bitch about it. It's pretty funny. Contigo and Bubba water bottles, Coleman water or outdoor products, writing instruments. We use Expo markers at in my nursing unit and my hospital. Sharpie, Reynolds, Rotary, X-Acto, Waterman, Elmer's Crazy Glue. I mean, look at how many kids are in school and they're using Crazy Glue. Cephalon Cookware, Kitchen Electronics, Sunbeam, Rival, Crockpot. I mean, how many people are crockpotting right now? Holmes and Mr. Coffee Kitchen Appliances, as well as Yankee Candle, Chesapeake Bay Candle, and yeah, I mean, it's crazy with Yankee Candle and Chesapeake Bay Candle. I mean, people buy these candles like crazy. So a very strong company. Let's go over its stock and dividend analysis real quick. But I wanted to really, like I said, I really wanted to show you what these guys carry first, because you want to know what you're getting yourself into as well. I forgot to say Food Saver right here. Food Saver as well. So they got a lot of products, okay? Very strong company. Let's go look at these guys real quick. One of the reasons I put money in these guys is they took a huge nosedive, obviously because of the bug is one thing. Recession hit, down to $10.52, but it's slowly coming back up. And what they always say is buy low, sell high, and it has a 4.52% dividend yield. You want to see how the dividend history is, of course, too, but let's see how much revenue they've made recently. Okay, so it's a little bit down. Okay, you're looking at the 11s, then the 10s, and then the 9s, but that's a lot of money that they're making. And as a company, sure, the operating income is down, but you know, they have a very good reputation. They have a very good dividend history, which I will show you real quick. This is the thing that they're really, if you're an investor, you might want to look at real quick. And I'm going to jump to that right now. So over time, starting in 2015, it was 19 cents. Quarterly dividend, 23 cents. So it's right at 23 cents, which is not bad at all. And it's down. Okay, let's think about it. It's down. So if there's stocks that I buy that are down, especially like KeyBank, which I'll show you as well in my dividend portfolio. But the potential with these guys, okay, they're showing you on their website their dividend history, which is very good, and their products are fantastic. Look, I mean, look at the last video I made on Pfizer. That just because they're down does not mean that they're, not doing well. They own a lot of products. They're making revenue. That's the important thing. So, their products are in need. In a recession, people are going to need these products still. So that's the great thing about Newell Brands. And once I jump to my Etrade, I'll show you my expected income with these guys and how well they have helped me with my Etrade dividend portfolio. Because my goal is like $2,000 to $4,000 in quarterly dividends. I mean, that's rational and that's realistic. Some people want to make a lot more, but $2,000 to $4,000 just in quarterly dividends is not bad at all. I think that's realistic and rational, and that's one of the reasons why I have a goal like that, and $1,000 to $3,000 a month in my monthly dividends. Realistic, rational. I can live frugal, put more money in, let my money make money. It's exciting. It's an exciting time. I'm 35. I can treat that as somewhat of a retirement pension. Like I said in my previous videos, my 403B employee contributions were done. They're suspended for this year. Think about it. I'm a nurse. I work on COVID floors. I'm probably going to volunteer a lot and pick up a lot of shifts after my finals, but I'm going to be going on there, and they cut my 403B employee contributions. Everyone. You're working in a recession. I'm sorry, not in a recession. Well, you can say it. Well, you can't classify it that as one, but destroyed pretty much a temporary economy bubble issue. And then you have a pandemic, which is the bug. My friends just recently got that. They're doing very well. Luckily, if you're healthy, you're in good shape. But anyways, let's just jump to Etrade. Right now, I own 24.25 shares of Newell Brands, which is not bad, but I'm going to jump to my expected income. Well, estimated, I'm sorry. But here's the thing. So Kia's down. I mean, I'm getting $8.40, which is not bad. It seems like almost like 2 periods I'm getting a new a new share pretty much with that. But Newell Brands, I'm getting $5.58. And it was announced recently. So I'm getting $5.58. That's pretty much buying me almost a new share, which I probably need to get about 35-ish or so, and then I'll start doing some damage. But things are very exciting with these guys, and I'm really excited to have these guys as dividend stock. And I would like to thank you, Matthew Ramey, for showing your model to everyone on your website to help us as dividend investors figure out a schedule and a way to find good dividend stocks and good distributions. So look at this. All right, so I'm starting to get to, here's just estimated. Made it to I don't know if I'm at the $100. It's hard to tell because certain stocks, EPR properties were held. They're not giving their dividends. But look at this. Compound interest is kicking in. I think by the end of next year, I can get to $100 a month. Think about that, $100 a month passive income. Newell Brands is helping me out with quarterly dividends to increase so I can start making more cash. And I'm at like expected income of $1,170. That's getting, it's about a few $100 off from what I normally make per pay period. But that's pretty exciting. That's the the excitement of compound interest. So, adding these guys is really, it's very exciting. Let's see, we got quarterly dividends. See it. Kroger announced its quarterly dividend. Conagra Brands announced its quarterly dividend. I can't wait with Kroger. Eventually, they'll start increasing their dividend a lot more over time. And the compound interest will start kicking in a lot more. Or I could sell them and just throw them into Newell Brands. There's a lot of things I can do. So let me know what you think of Newell Brands. I kind of wanted to be brief on this. I know you guys wanted to have me do some videos on stock and dividend analysis, and I will do some M1 finance portfolio reviews. I'll put in the comment section my M1 finance pie. I kind of figured that out. So if you're interested in finding a replica of it, feel free with the Death Star. I'll be glad to give you my exact documents. It's not going to be like Rogue One where I'm trying to hunt you down because you have the secret Death Star prototype or the CD, so don't worry about that. So thank you for watching this video. I was probably ranting a little bit, and I apologize on that, but thank you again, and have a good one.